Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by accepting one key fact. The app library is a permanent feature on current iOS versions, so you cannot fully delete it. Open Settings now and stay with me. We'll change behaviors that make the app library essentially invisible to you. Once done, you'll direct new downloads to your home screens and hide any pages you don't want to see. This reduces app library interference while keeping your phone stable and avoiding unsupported tweaks. Now change how apps land on your phone. Go to Settings, then Home Screen, and pick Add to Home Screen so future downloads won't default to the app library. Next, press and hold an app icon, choose Edit Home Screen, and drag apps from suggested locations into your folders or pages. This trains you and keeps apps in predictable places. Make folders with clear names and move icons across pages to recreate a home-only workflow, so you rarely finish by hiding unwanted home screen pages so your layout feels singular. Pinch the home screen, tap the page dots, and uncheck pages you don't want visible. This concentrates your apps where you expect them. Once done, rely on Spotlight search or organized folders rather than the app library. If something goes wrong, pages disappear or icons are missing, restart the iPhone first. And if needed, choose Settings, General Reset. Reset home screen layout to restore icons without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.